Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you set communication defaults on Roblox. So at first, just go to your Roblox app. Now click the bottom last, the three dot icon. Now go to settings with the gear icon. Now click on privacy, the third option. Now in the communication here you can see it is off. Click on it, and here you can see there are three options here: default, custom and off. Click on default. So guys, that's how you can set communication defaults in Roblox. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and please subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.